In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a device for your prototype in Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly how to wrap your designs in a realistic device frame and preview them the way your audience will experience them. Start by opening your design in Figma. This can be a project you are actively working on or a file you've already set up with frames. Make sure everything is saved and organized so you can focus on the prototype setup without distractions. Next, look to the right-hand panel and switch from the Design tab to the Prototype tab. This tab is where you control how your design behaves in presentation mode, including the device frame it appears in. If you don't see the Prototype tab, expand the right sidebar so all options are visible. Before you change any device settings, ensure nothing is selected on the canvas. Click on an empty area or press Escape to clear any selection. When no layer is selected, the Prototype panel shows global settings for the entire prototype. In this state, find the Device section in the right-hand panel. This is where you'll define the outer shell your prototype appears inside during presentation. Open the Device drop-down and choose the device that matches your target experience, such as an iPhone, an Android phone, or a desktop frame. Picking a close match helps you check spacing, safe areas, and the overall feel on that platform. If you are designing for multiple platforms, choose the one you want to demo first. And you can return to this menu to switch later. Now customize the look so it feels polished. Adjust the model color to match the physical device style you prefer. Like a light or dark bezel. Choose the orientation portrait for vertical experiences or landscape for horizontal layouts. Switching orientation can be a quick way to validate responsive decisions. Then set the prototype background color. This is the color behind your frames in presentation mode. And it can reduce visual distraction. Neutral backgrounds often work best, but pick something that complements your brand and maintains good contrast. When everything looks right, click the Play or Present button in the top right corner of Figma. Your prototype will open in a new window with the selected device frame, orientation, and background applied. Take a moment to scan the edges, spacing, and how the UI sits within the bezel. If anything feels off, close the preview, tweak the device options, and present again until it matches your intent. That's it. Thanks for watching.